The fun part of fishing is to spend time with friends and share with each other's the experiences. It's also a great way to be outside, to be in the water and to relax. Tito, morning. How are you? Good. You get the bait? Alright. Waiting. What did you get? Okay. It is around 6:30 in the morning and we are heading out to the Atlantic Ocean in search of fish. It is truly a magical scene with the sun appears on the horizon and above the ocean. Chasing blackfin tuna early in the morning is the best timing because tuna come near shore to feed on baits. We're gonna fish here?
No, we're gonna troll. We're setting up the troll south.
We started with topwater fishing and trolling. There were too much seaweeds and grasses. It was not an ideal condition for trolling. My angler friend goes by the nickname Sir Catch-A-Lot. He is a long-time fishing enthusiast and he is an expert.
10 ounces good.
Oh yeah?
Get down fast. If you need a weight, I got weights. I got everything, man. Whatever you need.
Oh, thank you.
I'll hook you up. I want to see you catch a fish today, man.
Yeah, I want to...
If you get bottom, you get bites. If you don't get bite, you don't have no bait, man.
Uh-huh.
Okay?
Yeah.
You got rubber hooks or something.
Alright, awesome.
Put it in big pieces, small chunks, okay?
Uh-huh.
Small pieces like this, man.
And that's all?
That's all you need. You put too much, all you're going to get is grunts.
Uh-huh.
Take that, cut that up, put small chunks. Do you want a triple rig or no? You want 3-hook rig?
Yeah.
Straighten that out. You'll get some fish, man. You'll see.
You get fish?
You're going to get some. Don't worry. I'm catching fish. I tell you, every time I come, man, I catch 100, 200 fish. Don't worry about
That'd
that.
be awesome.
Good. I know what I got to do.
And learning from you. Learn from the expert.
3-1 hooks. You know how to put them on the rig, right?
Yeah.
Okay, just slip them through and then wrap them around.
We were targeting vermilion snappers.
Right here, come up next to me and drop down, man. Right here, there's a big stack.
Oh yeah, I can see them now.
Yeah, drop down now, you're right over them.
Yeah.
Those are vermilion snappers.
Yeah?
I got a vermilion and a jack. Right already. Come on, see? Come on over here, right here. See, that's the vermilion, see the head flip?
Oh!
Fucking grouper and a fucking.
Double.
Might be a keeper. Oh no, get over here, man. Where do you think you're going? You're not going away.
My fishing partner has caught all the fishes. Now I want to catch one of those epic predator fish underneath a shipwreck.
Fish on, fish on! Yeah.
Barracuda is a large and a fearsome predatory fish. They have very sharp teeth and ferocious behavior. However, their meat is tasty when deep fried. The sun was getting hotter and I need to go back. I quickly cleaned and flayed the fish for the wife to cook and make barracuda salad. She marinated with seafood seasoning, garlic powder, and black peppers. A lettuce salad dish of tomatoes, cucumbers, avocados, and cut boiled eggs. Cornstarch mix.
Yummy, yummy meal time. Yummy, 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 yummy.
Healthy meal with freshly caught fish is delicious.
Yummy, yummy meal time. Yummy, 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 yummy.